I have these 5 text boxes and I'd like to have them distributed equally on the slide. So I'll select the text boxes, and then while they're selected, I'll go to the Shape Format tab, and then I'll go to Align, and I'll choose Distribute Vertically. I can do the same thing with shapes. I'll select these 3 shapes on the Shape Format tab. I'll go to Align and choose Distribute Vertically. I can also distribute things horizontally. So on this slide, I'll select these text boxes, go back to Shape Format, go back to Align, and this time I'll choose Distribute Horizontally. And I can also do the same thing with shapes. I'll drag these and I want them distributed horizontally. Once I have the starting position, anything I want in the middle, and the ending position, I'll select them, go back to Shape Format, Align, Distribute horizontally.